how to factory reset in Windows 11. Now, this is actually quite simple. In order for us to factory reset something, what you are going to do is just basically look for the reset button here. You will be able to find it by looking for Windows Update. So when you are going to look for Windows Update there, what you are going to do is just click on the advanced options right here. And then if we are going to go down here, you have it under recovery. There is a reset, advanced startup, and then go back option here. So go ahead and open this one, and then it says reset this PC. Go ahead and click this one right here. Now you have two options in order for you to get this done. You can either keep your files, but if you think some of your files have virus, then it would be better if you are going to remove everything. But then again, if you are going to want to keep your files, go ahead and click this one right here. And then you have two ways in order for you to reinstall Windows. Would it be through cloud download or local reinstall? So yeah, go ahead and choose between the two options here. After choosing, you should be able to get this done, everybody. And yeah, that's the easiest way in order for you to factory reset in Windows.